This 2027 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8261 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 30 feet 5 inches in length and features a sandstone interior, sleeps 9, refrigerator, awning, water heater, microwave, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8261 BHS is 6,299 pounds. This 2027 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8261 BHS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.